Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So 2023 rolls around and Lowe's drops the Kobalt Mini Toolbox on us pre-holiday season, and I don't think they anticipated the buzz that these were going to get, because the internet went wild, YouTube went wild, and pretty much nobody could find these because every time you went to a Lowe's, the Kobalt Mini Toolboxes were out of stock. Eventually, the holiday season came and went, and Lowe's and Kobalt were finally able to keep up with demand. And eventually they also started making a second generation where the hardware was better and they had liners in the drawers, and they even made a second box so the original box could sit on top of the first. And so they upgraded the original model. And then 2024 rolls around, the holiday season, and Harbor Freight says, hey, we can do one better. We can do the U.S. General Mini Toolboxes and make them even cheaper. I think they were even $3 cheaper, so $16 or $17 a box, and better hardware, better all-around presentation. They didn't slam open, they didn't slam close, and they were able to keep up with demand. They kept it to one per customer, but pretty much everybody who wanted one could get one. And the holiday season came and went, and again, everybody who wanted one got one. And well, now we're in 2025, and come Walmart pre-holiday season, they say, hold my beer. And this is what we have here. This is the HyperTuff Mini Toolbox, and I think I may have gotten this prematurely, that this wasn't supposed to be out on the shelf just yet, but I got lucky. But well, you're saying, well, that's nothing special, that's just another toolbox. But there's a second part. That was $20, by the way. There's a second part to this. Now we have the mini tool cabinet. I'm knocking stuff over, and look at that, that's awesome. So this is a two-piece set, sold separately, $20 each. This may have a few scratches on it that I didn't see prior to me purchasing it, but I'm not too worried about it. It's a toolbox. This is the mini tool cabinet from HyperTuff. I'm super excited about that. Well, one thing I must mention before I go further, that these are not live on their website. Well, once they do, I will drop the links, and the links will be affiliate links because I'm a newly minted Walmart affiliate. Yay me. But just keep that in mind when watching this video or purchasing these. I am an affiliate, and I may have a jaded opinion on these things, but that's neither here nor there. But let's get into the toolbox and see what they are looking like. I haven't even opened these yet. So before I open them, let's take a look at that. We have steel construction and powder coated finish, just like both of the U.S. General and the Kobalt. Metal drawers with ball bearing slides. Now the U.S. General has the ball bearing slides, the Kobalt does not. The U.S. General also has the pre-cut non-slip drawer liners, just like the HyperTuff. The Kobalt, the original Kobalt doesn't. I think the second generation does, and holds up to 5 pounds per drawer. I think that's standard amongst all the mini toolboxes. There. Look at that. And that is, I like the way that opens up. That is quite different from the other two. That is pretty awesome. I love that red. Oh, those red liners. That's pretty cool. Nice and smooth. That is real nice. Definitely a lot nicer than the original Kobalt. I want to say on par with the construction of the U.S. General. U.S. General does make some nice toolboxes. It is nice, and I don't see any branding on this. Where's their branding? That is odd. There's no branding. Oh, there we go, on the back side there. Can you see that? HyperTuff. So that is kind of nice. I like that. You can kind of hide the branding on the back side there. So that is the mini toolbox. Ooh, look at that. That even stays up in that position, the upright. Or you can flip it back. That is nice. So that is the mini toolbox by HyperTuff. Found at Walmart. Hopefully soon. Hopefully before the holiday season. But that's not all, folks. As you well know, we have a mini tool cabinet. And again, this is steel construction and powder coated finish. 2-drawer opening with easy access handles. Includes pre-cut non-slip mat on top. Let's see. Steel construction, powder coated. Let's see. That looks nice. Total storage capacity, I don't know if you can see that, 850 cubic inches. Cool. And let me get you that UPC and camera. There you go. In case you want to search that. But again, once those links become available, I will drop those down below. There we go. This is on. So we got this right here. I don't know what the hell that is. So we can rest the mini toolbox on top of this. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I know you can't really see it. Let's see. So that is the HyperTuff mini storage cabinet that goes along with the HyperTuff mini toolbox. So again, I'm a newly minted Walmart affiliate, and I will leave affiliate links down in the description once they come available to me. But I did purchase these with my own money. So as always, I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you're at all interested in supporting this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.